A winter weather message.
I just missed some winter storm warnings.
Lucas, Ottawa,
So
Seneca,
yeah,
and
this went off.
winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. Thursday
I was on the
to
phone
7
with my
a.m.
mom when it
Eastern
went off, so I
Standard Time
couldn't record
Saturday.
the actual thing. But yeah.
What? Multi-hazard winter storm with a combination of strong winds, very cold temperatures, snow, and blowing snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches.
So look at that.
Winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour.
On here.
Chill values could be as low as 25 below zero.
And it's on the TV.
When portions of northwest Ohio.
That wasn't a good
When
shot.
from 10 p.m.
Sorry.
Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could severely impact the Friday morning commute and any holiday travel. Strong winds could cause tree damage. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details: a window of brief intense snowfall is expected with a cold front Thursday night. This front will bring a sharp temperature drop over a matter of a few hours, where temperatures above freezing will drop to the single digits by Friday afternoon. A flash freeze is possible with this occurrence. Winds will increase across the area early Friday, especially Friday night, and be the main hazard for the area with blowing snow, also potentially causing hazardous travel. Strong winds could cause damage to trees,
How many
bring
winter
down
storm
power
warnings
lines,
did they issue?
and blow around unsecured objects. From Friday through Sunday, a period of almost 48 hours where temperatures remain in the single digits is possible. This combined with the strong winds would allow for a long period of wind chills well below zero and increase exposure risk and infrastructure concerns across the area. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
How long is this?
A winter weather message.
Oh, there's another. Yeah,
for the
there's another
following
one.
counties in Ohio: Fulton and Williams. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Indiana, southwest Michigan, and northwest Ohio. When? From 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult. Widespread blowing and drifting snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact holiday travel. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches and cause power outages. The dangerously cold wind chills to 20 to 30 below zero will cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. A winter weather message. For the
Another
following
one.
counties in Ohio, Defiance and Henry. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday.
It's either 3 or 4.
What? Moderate to heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour.
There's 3 or 4
Where? Portions of northern
alerts that
Indiana
were
and
issued.
northwest
I
Ohio.
also got one on my phone.
When? From 7 p.m. Thursday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Widespread blowing snow will significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact holiday travel. Gusty winds can bring down tree branches and cause power outages. The dangerously cold wind chills to 20 below to 30 below zero will cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes.
Oh, God.
If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. A winter weather message.
What?
For the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Monroe. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Thursday to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday.
Oh, no, it's about the
What?
thing.
Snow expected.
Stop recording.
Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Wayne, Lenawee,